welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another unboxing for you as it is Sunday, and yeah, I've had this box for about a week now and it's from Squishy Kiosk. Now a lot of people have asked me to do an unboxing from them, and I am here today with not only an unboxing but a giveaway also. So first of all, I will just let you know about the giveaway. I am hosting it with Squishy Kiosk. They are the same people that run Kawaii Box and Japan Candy Box. As you know, I absolutely adore their brand and would highly recommend them for their Kawaii Box, for the Japan Candy Box. I've never had a bad one and they're always so reasonably priced. And when they came out with Squishy Kiosk, I was so excited because, as you know, I love squishies here. So the giveaway is just the same as it was before. I will leave a link in the description down below where you can enter your details like email address and your name, and then you'll get entered into a kind of like raffle thing. Squishy Kiosk will then choose a winner at random and then let me know who the winner is, and I will then email the winner via the email address that you sign up for to arrange like getting your address and stuff like that. I will kind of comment on this video once the winner has been chosen, so you'll see the date that you've got to enter by in the link in the description down below, and then on that day I will contact the winner and then I'll put a huge comment saying I have contacted the winner with the first name of the winner so that you know that the winner has been drawn. I hope that makes sense. Just enter in the link down below and then if you win I will email you. Simple as that. So anyway, getting straight on into my review package. This is the box that it came in. I've already kind of opened it because I didn't actually know who it came from because there was no branding on the box. All that was inside was a whole load of packing peanuts, and I seen the first squishy and I knew exactly who it was from, so I stopped there. So yeah, this is what's inside. So digging through, first of all, this is the one that I seen to begin with, and it is this mini banana like keychain, and this is obviously a cheap version of the, I think it's eye bloom. Is it the eye bloom banana? But anyway, let me just open this up. I did actually make a duct tape version of this. It doesn't smell and it's just purple with obviously the banana down the bottom and some white sprinkles on. The squishiness of this is really nice. The stick is going through all the way up to there, so that's a pretty nice size, and this is actually like the same stick that I used on my duct tape DIY version, but this is really nice. The quality of it is, you know, fairly okay, pretty standard for normal squishies, and yeah, I'm just really happy with this because it's so super cute. Digging through the packing peanuts, oh my goodness, there's so many. Next we have this ice cream, and it is just a bluey purpley toned ice cream. There are no tags or anything on this one. It is just simple a soft cream ice cream. Again, it doesn't really smell. It's not really that slow rising, but it is nice and soft. And the colours are super nice on it. The only thing it's missing is a kawaii face, but we can pop one of those on. I'm really liking this. It's a really nice size squishy actually, a really nice size and shape. Yeah, like I said, doesn't really smell, so there's that one. Also, by the way, I will leave all the links of all these squishies that I'm unboxing for you in the description down below. I have an empty bag. Next up is this little koala ice cream. How adorable is that little face? I do actually really love little koalas. This is super cute. This is really nice and slow rising. Definitely the most slow rising one so far. Now, a little bit of information about Squishy Kiosk. They do sell licensed squishies on there. I do have one of them in this box to show you. And they do sell super cheap ones also, which, you know, is just great for any budget. As you know, I love cheap squishies. I buy them all the time. I'm not really too fancy about the names and stuff, like licensed squishies and everything like that. But yeah, they do have some, and I do have one in here. So it's kind of like a great, you know, place to go to get the best of both worlds. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. This is my favourite one so far. This is a little cake swirl, but look at that packaging. Mind my gross nails, they are super gross. I really need painting. But how adorable is that in its packaging? What? This is so cute. I wish all squishies came in such cute packaging. This one again doesn't smell. The paintwork on this is absolutely perfect. The texture is so perfect and I just absolutely love this. It is pretty fast rising, not really that slow rising, but again, feels really, really nice. It's not like horrible and dense or anything, and it is really nice. I know this was like super cheap. This was like £2 or something, which I'll pay £2 for it. I'll probably pay £5 for it, to be honest, because that's cute. And the packaging that comes in, so sweet. Okay, so the last one is the branded one that I said, and it is just the mini penguin by Punimaro. I really, really love these little penguins. I think they're so cute and chubby. And oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, I just adore the colour of this one. It matches my nails so perfect, and true to Punimaro, it's so slow rising and definitely the most slow rising in here. It is the most expensive. I'm pretty sure this cost me about £11, maybe even 12, but I am really happy with this, and this is definitely going to be one of those squishies that stays with me for a very long time, so I didn't mind spending a little bit kind of extra on this one just as a one-off occasion. Oh, it's like a little pet. So cute. Anyway, so that's all I got in this squishy package. Like I said, it was a nice and small one, but the main reason that I'm here is just to tell you about the giveaway, because you yourself get to win a nice surprise box of squishies for yourself just by entering your details in the description down below. Like, who doesn't want to win squishies? So anyway, like I said, all you have to do is click on the link down below, enter all your details to be in with a chance of winning. And if you do win, I will contact you via that email address, so please make sure it is valid. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry it was short, but I think it was sweet. Yeah, and that is my Squishy Kiosk review for you. Everything is just perfect. Nothing is defective. It's just as you would expect, and true to what it is true to what Squishy Kiosk have advertised on their website. They're honestly a really reputable brand, and I honestly trust them so much. I've never had one single problem with them, and everything has always exceeded my expectations. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, just check out all the squishies down below that I list in the description, and obviously make sure to enter the giveaway because you'll be silly not to. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!